So as y'all read by the title, I'm be showing y'all how I did my eyebrows in quarantine, or attempted to do my eyebrows while in quarantine, and I think I did okay. So I'm just taking my spoolie and I'm brushing them out. During this whole video, I just used my spoolie, my tweezer, some regular scissors, which try to find some like manicure scissors. I think they are like the tiny small ones that you can cut your eyebrow hairs with. It'll make it way easier. But yeah, that's really all I use. And then I eyebrow razor, so I'm just tweezing any unwanted hairs like underneath. Dude, the first couple of tweezers got me, but I'm just tweezing any unwanted hairs underneath. You kind of have to create the shape that you want, but you know, like watch what you're doing so that you don't overpluck or nothing, and just look at your eyebrows from afar as you going. But yeah, I'm just basically plucking the hairs. I'm gonna do this at the top as well, and I'm gonna use that spoolie a lot. That spoolie was my best friend while I was trying to do my own eyebrows. But yeah, so that's gonna be the first step, is just tweezing any unwanted hairs right off the bat at the bottom and top of the brows. Y'all, please excuse my sideburns. What I should have been doing was taking that eyebrow razor and trying to get them sideburns going, because y'all, I just have ridiculous sideburns. Like, they just grow all the way down. But anyway, that's besides the point of this video. So I'm just tweezing. I'm gonna be doing a lot of that, but initially just tweezing all the hairs that I can like visibly just see that's just like out of place. So now I'm gonna start brushing the hairs all the way up and all the way down, just to see like you know, like just to cut any unwanted length off my eyebrows, because as y'all can see, they super long. So we just taking these, like I said, these are regular scissors, like hair scissors, but you guys just use just tiny ones. I didn't have any, so I just used those. They much easier. But yeah, I'm basically just cutting my shape and just cutting all the extra hairs off of my eyebrows. And then also, like I said, I'll be tweezing a lot throughout the video. after I've done majority of the tweezing and majority of the cutting, I'm going to go on my eyebrow razor on an angle, and I'm just going to razor down any hairs that I didn't tweeze out or anything like that, just to like clean them up and make them look more sharp and more neat. So yeah, I'm just gonna go in with the eyebrow razor again, brushing them with the spoolie, tweezing if I need to, cutting if I need to. Y'all, like I said, this is my first time doing this. I ain't no professional. I ain't use no wax or no nair. So yeah, I'm just cleaning them up and trying to make them look the best that I can. So yeah, I'm just gonna let y'all watch me do that. So y'all, after a while of tweezing and plucking, and using my razor comb, why do I keep saying razor comb? Using my eyebrow razor, this is what they was looking like. Y'all will see in a minute. Much cleaner, right? They look much cleaner, and I was kind of satisfied with them, almost. I think I went in a little bit more. Yep, I'm taking my glasses off. So yeah, I think I'm gonna go in a little bit more just to like try to perfect them as best as I can. And that's really like all I did. Just a matter of tweezing, getting stuff to your liking, your shape. It's gonna take a while. It took me a while. As y'all can see, I done went back in. But yeah, that's really it. I'm gonna end this voice over here, and I'm gonna let y'all continue watching me perfect these eyebrows, and then I will come back at the end to talk to you all about everything. All right, you guys, this is the finishing results on my eyebrows. Now, your girl ain't never really did her eyebrows before, so I think for me doing them for the first time, they look decent. This is my favorite one. This one is always just, even when I go get them done, this one always looks better. But anyways, I went ahead off camera and I put some alcohol over them and some Vaseline, because that's what my place do when I go get them done. But since we in quarantine and the nail shop's still closed, your girl had to she had to do them herself, okay? And I saw this tutorial, by the way. I took some of her techniques out of the video, kind of how I tried to, you know, take the tips that she was saying in that video and kind of tried to do my own. And I think they really look good. Like, they look clean, at least. They look way better than what they did in the beginning of this video. So yeah, if y'all like this video, you know what to do. Thumbs it up. Subscribe to my channel for more videos of me, and hit that bell for post notifications. Period. And I'll see y'all in the next video. All I ever asked was you to pick up the phone when you know. All I ever asked was you to show me some love.